There is no doubt, zero doubt, that all these officers were in their Memphis Blues, okay? They were in their patrol cars. Some were unmarked. Lights were flashing. So what that tells us is all these officers were under color of law. They were in the scope of their duties when really what we saw was an intentionality, an unnecessary intentionality of violence and cruelty against somebody who was defenseless. And if we didn't say it before, this is what we saw on the video that we can tell you. He was kicked. Yeah. There were multiple uses of force used against him. Multiple uses of force. That's what we can say.
Did the officers say anything? Did you hear anything that the officers said? Was there audio?
They said a lot, and they want us to let them finish the investigation before it gets out.
Have you heard at all from the federal investigators, TBI? Have they spoken with you directly?
We've only met with them.
Do you agree with the district attorney's legal reasoning for withholding the video for 1 to 2 weeks?
Well, the family made the decision that they wanted to make sure they got justice, so they said let them do what they needed to do to get everything appropriate so there would be no technicalities why people would not be held accountable. Because what this family wants is what every citizen is entitled to, and that's full justice, not just civil accountability, but you want criminal culpability too. And so that's why the family made the decision to let them have the time to, not much time, because when you got video, it shouldn't take that long, you know. So thank you for that question. We'll take a few more. Say it again, please. Did we see what, the last thing? Well, we know he was tased, we know he was pepper sprayed, and we know he was restrained. And so when Attorney Romanucci says he was defenseless, you saw him being restrained.